In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Godaddy. Whether you're trying to capture email addresses, promote a special offer, or simply grab the attention of your visitors, a well-placed pop-up can make a huge difference. Let's dive right into it and make sure you're equipped with the knowledge to implement this effectively. First things first, you want to log into your Godaddy account. Just head over to their website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard, which is where you'll find all your sites and products listed. Find the domain or website where you want to add the pop-up, and click on Edit Site. This will launch the site editor, which is the control panel for customizing the look and feel of your site. After entering the site editor, look for the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on this tab to access a range of promotional tools. Find the option labeled as Pop-ups. This is where you will set the specifics related to your pop-up, from its purpose to its appearance. Now, select Add Pop-up. You'll now be prompted to choose what type of pop-up you want to create. Godaddy offers a few configurations such as newsletter signups, promotions, and special announcements. Choose the configuration that aligns with your goal. For instance, a newsletter sign-up can help in building a mailing list, while a promotional pop-up can drive sales by offering a discount or a special deal. After selecting the type, it's time to customize your pop-up. You'll see various options to configure the appearance and behavior. Start by setting the text. Make sure it's concise and impactful. The headline should catch attention instantly, while the body text should convey the message clearly. Remember, less is more, and clarity is key for maximum engagement. Next, design the look of the pop-up. This includes selecting the colors, fonts, and images, ensuring they match your site's overall aesthetic and branding. A visually coherent pop-up fosters trust and retains user interest. You can play around with the alignment and spacing to ensure it fits perfectly. Once the design is set, decide when and how the pop-up will appear. You can set triggers like time spent on the site, scrolling action, or exit intent. Be sure to choose a trigger that best suits your audience's engagement pattern for optimal results. Finally, preview your pop-up to see how it looks in action. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish it. Remember, once you hit publish, the pop-up will be live on your website. And there you have it. With your pop-up now live, watch your engagement levels soar. Keep an eye on how it performs and feel free to tweak it for improving effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website experience.